Alright y'all, let's dive into the best drone apps for 2024. Whether you're a weekend hobbyist or a pro pilot, these apps are going to take your drone game to the next level. First up, we've got, if you're flying a DJI drone, this app is a must-have. It's got an intuitive interface, step-by-step tutorials, and enhanced obstacle avoidance. Plus, AI tracking and geofencing integration. It's like having a co-pilot right there with you. Next, those flying in the US is essential. It gives you real-time airspace restrictions, no-fly zones, and TFRs. The improved maps and notifications keep you informed so you can fly safe and legal. For a global perspective, check out. This app offers detailed maps, weather updates, and automated flight authorizations. It even integrates with your drone software. It's perfect for pilots flying internationally or managing multiple drones. Now, if you're into mapping and surveying is your go-to app. It creates 2D maps, 3D models, and orthomosaics with AI-powered analytics. Ideal for inspections, construction, and agriculture. Is another fantastic option for DJI drone users. This third-party app offers waypoint navigation, orbit mode, follow me, and even VR headset compatibility. It's perfect for capturing those epic shots. Safety first with. This app provides real-time weather, airspace info, and flight logging. Plus, it has a community feature and risk assessment tool to help you make informed decisions before takeoff. For advanced mapping and photogrammetry, is a powerhouse. It offers automated flights and res image capture, with expanded compatibility beyond just DJI drones. Last but not least is an all-in-one platform for commercial drone operations. Plan your flights, manage compliance, and automate reporting all in one place. So there you have it, the top drone apps for 2024. Download them, try them out, and let me know which ones are your favorites in the comments. Fly safe, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more drone tips and tricks. Until next time, happy flying.